Alright guys, I'm back. Now we'll put the oil in the engine. Alright, it'll smoke some in the garage. How nice. Alright, I find most small engines up to about 220cc use about half a litre of oil, so we'll start filling it up. I'm using Valvoline XLD Premium 20W50. I use that for all seasons. I've never had a problem with it. Just let that go down and we'll just check the oil level right now. Just wipe the dipstick clean. Nope, nowhere near enough yet. Check the oil level again. Wipe my dipstick off. Alright, perfect. And typical tecumseh, by the way, four and a half years old, already got a fucking rod knock. But it probably wouldn't help that he has never changed the oil. Alright. This will be the next video till I get the spark plug and filter. Then I'll install them and I'll just give a quick clean up and I'll be ready to give back to the customer. Have a good day.